Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is designing a Visualforce page in ascending and descending order. We can specify whether we want an ascending sorting or a descending sorting. Ascending order is an arrangement where elements are arranged from smallest to largest or from lowest to highest. Descending order where elements are listed in a sequence from largest to smallest or from highest to lowest. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Visualforce page and Apex class we need to click on developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So as we need to create the Apex class, click on file, new, Apex class. Here I am taking the name of the Apex class, Visualforce Ascending Descending. Click OK. So in this class, Visualforce Ascending Descending, here I am taking accounts, list of account, set, get, and here in the constructor Visualforce Ascending Descending, I am querying select ID, name, industry, created date, last modified date from account. So accounts holding these all the values. Next, I am creating a method sort by name ascending. So in this, accounts is holding select ID, name, industry, created date, last modified date from account, order by name. So what is doing order by name? It is sorting all the values in ascending order, like alphabetically A to Z. Sort by name descending. This method is displaying the value in descending order, means name DESC, it is providing the values in descending order. Sort by multiple, here what it is doing, order by name ascending, industry descending. So it is ordering name by alphabetical order A to Z and industry from Z to A. So in created date, it is ordering the value by created date, means from smallest to greatest. So last 5, it is ordering the value created by descending and limit 5. So let's create the Visualforce page as well. File, new, Visualforce page. Again I am taking the same name, Visualforce Ascending Descending of the Visualforce page. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, we are calling this Visualforce Ascending Descending Apex class by putting the controller in Apex form page block. Under this page block buttons, location top, we are displaying, and here we are taking the Apex command button value sort name ascending, and action we are calling sort by name ASC. Sort by name ASC, ascending order. Second, we are calling sort by name descending, means sorting the value in descending order. Then sort by multiples, this method we are calling. So in this, name is ascending and industry is descending. Next, we are sorting the values on behalf of created date, and next last 5 value it is providing, and we are closing the apex page block button. Then apex page block table value we are providing accounts, and we are creating a variable A. In the column value we are putting A dot name, means accounts name, accounts industry, accounts created date, and accounts last modified date. So we are closing the tags respectively: apex page block table, page block, form, and apex page. Save this and click on preview button. So as we had given in the command button, short name ascending, short name descending, short multiple, created date, and last 5. So these values are placing at the top position. So location is top, and we had taken name, industry, created date, last modified date. So name, industry, created date, last modified date. This value is coming by default. There is no sorting done up to now. If all we need to sort the values, then after clicking on sort name ascending, this value is getting arranged in ascending order. So Aman Private Limited, Airtel Private Limited, it is going to came first. So let's see, click on sort name ascending. So we are getting the values account name in ascending order. So again, if I am clicking short name descending, so it the first value we are getting University of Arizona. So just click on short name descending. So we are getting like this only. Short multiple, what here we had provided short by multiple, here we are calling, and this method is calling short by multiple. So in this, name is getting ascending order and industry in descending order. So name will be ascending and industry will be descending. So short multiple, click on this. So alphabetically it is coming, and here in descending order it is coming. Next, created date. So this is created date. If all we want to sort the values on created date, click on this. So created date sorting values are coming 2023 and 2024. So if we need last 5 values only, so for that what we need to do, order by created date and descending limit we are using 5, descending we are using limit 5. So last 5, descending we are using limit 5. So 5 values we are getting. Thank you.